Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain whether it's possible to take out cash using an Affirm card and how the card actually works. First, it's important to understand that the Affirm card was built primarily for making purchases, both online and retail stores. At the moment, the card does not support ATM withdrawals or traditional cash advances like a normal debit card would, so you won't be able to insert the card into an ATM and withdraw money directly. Even though cash access isn't available, the card can still be useful for managing payments and everyday spending. Inside the Affirm application, you can connect an eligible bank account, which allows purchases to be funded directly from your bank or converted into installment payments for qualifying transactions. Now, if you specifically need physical cash, the better option is using the debit card connected to your regular bank account. Once your bank account is linked with Affirm, you can shop using the Affirm card, but any actual cash withdrawals would still need to be done through your bank's ATM card or another standard withdrawal method. So rather than thinking of Affirm as a cash access card, it is better to view it as a financing and payment solution that helps spread out purchases over time while keeping transactions convenient and secure. And although you can't directly withdraw money from an ATM using the Affirm card, you can still use it almost anywhere Visa payments are accepted while staying on top of your budget through the app. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.